Indication: Crenessity, crinecerfont, is indicated as adjunctive treatment to glucocorticoid replacement to control androgens in adults and pediatric patients 4 years of age and older with classic congenital adrenal hyperplasia, CAH. Important safety information. Contraindications. Crenessity is contraindicated in patients with hypersensitivity to crinecerfont or any excipients of Crenessity. Warnings and precautions. Hypersensitivity reactions. A hypersensitivity reaction, including throat tightness, angioedema, and generalized rash, occurred in a subject after 3 days of treatment with Crenessity. If a clinically significant hypersensitivity reaction occurs, initiate appropriate therapy and discontinue Crenessity. Risk of acute adrenal insufficiency or adrenal crisis with inadequate concomitant glucocorticoid therapy. Acute adrenal insufficiency or adrenal crisis, which is potentially life-threatening, can occur in patients with underlying adrenal insufficiency who are on inadequate daily glucocorticoid doses, especially in situations associated with increased cortisol need, such as acute intercurrent illness, serious trauma, or surgical procedures. Continue glucocorticoids upon initiation of and during treatment with Crenessity. Do not reduce the glucocorticoid dose below the dose required for cortisol replacement. Patients should continue to use stress dosing of glucocorticoids in cases of increased cortisol need. Adverse reactions. In adult patients, the most common adverse reactions, at least 4% for Crenessity and greater than placebo, are fatigue, headache, dizziness, arthralgia, back pain, decreased appetite, and myalgia. In pediatric patients, the most common adverse reactions, at least 4% for Crenessity and greater than placebo, are headache, abdominal pain, fatigue, nasal congestion, and epistaxis. You are encouraged to report negative side effects of prescription drugs to the FDA. Visit MedWatch at www.fda.gov/medwatch or call 1-800-FDA-1088. Dosage forms and strengths. Crenessity is available in 50 mg and 100 mg capsules and as an oral solution of 50 mg per milliliter. Please see full prescribing information.